We're heading back to Imperial Dam, and I still can't believe how green everything is. This is normally a barren, brown landscape, but right now it's still all green from the rain last month. Check out the big guns as we make the turn toward the Yuma Proving Ground. The Visitors Center has a great display of tanks, missiles, and other armored vehicles. It's open to the public, free, and well worth stopping to take a look around. There are no signs telling you you've entered the Imperial Dam LTVA, but really, this is it. The water station, dump station, and dumpsters are all off to the left where you see this big Class A pulling in. If you need to get a pass, this little building off to the left is where you do it. And would you believe there are flush toilets here? What technology, it's amazing. Every time I take the back way down to Yuma, I end up passing the Cloud Museum. I had some time yesterday, so we decided to stop in and see what it's all about. Anybody need a used bathtub? They claim they have the world's largest collection of Model T Fords. I didn't count them, but I would believe that claim. This 1930 Ford Model A motorhome is 90 years older than my own Ford home on wheels. I had to check it out. Well, look at that. Isn't that cozy? It's an all plywood body and everything. The RV, not you.
So the toilet is beside the bed.
What? Well, that's not much different than my van, is it? Bunk beds? Mm-hmm. Wow. You know how I was so happy to have a Ford van that I can stand up in? Yeah, not the case with this thing. I'm used to seeing a Model T or two in a museum, but the number of Model Ts on display here was just overwhelming. And I was worried about leaks in my roof. Seems practically brand new compared to everything else here. It's a Chevy. Inside, they had a lot more cars in a lot less rusty condition. One thing I love about the Southwest is all of these quirky little roadside attractions. If you're ever near Yuma, Arizona, I can highly recommend the Cloud Museum.
And now for something completely different.
Hector is gonna be running 3 Honda Civics with spoon engines. And on top of that, he just came into Harry's and he ordered 3 T66 turbos with NOS and a Motec system exhaust.
With these modifications, I think we're gonna dominate the Desert Rat Pack drag race because I've got VTEC and they don't.
Did you see that? Woo! Okay, beat it.
First loser.
To be.
Yay!
And first place goes to Carrie.
Well, it wasn't quite the result we were looking for, so this is a building year for us anyway. We'll be back next year with the same car. We're going to look at the telemetry, analyze the data, make some tuning changes in the VTEC profile, and we'll be back at it again next year. Also, if you think we have too much time on our hands, you're probably right, but we're also probably having more fun than you.